Hi there. Today we're going to talk about how to access a Google Classroom account. The first thing you'll notice here is that I am on the cute little Google search page. I'm going to put Google Classroom, and you'll notice that immediately the first thing that pops up is a link for getting onto Google Classroom. I'm going to click on the link here, and it's going to ask me to choose an account. These are all my children's account or personal accounts. So what I'm going to do is put my school account. You'll notice that I have my user ID as well as my franklinps.net. It must be this configuration in order to get in to the Franklin Classroom accounts. Then I press next. It's going to ask me for my password. And then I will sign in. And it's going to take its time, of course, because I'm recording. But you can see that it's working and thinking about it. It's going and going. I tell my students that technology teaches us patience. And here it is. Okay, you'll notice that in my classroom account, it's going to look a little bit different than your student's classroom account, but it's the same idea. I have all of the classes that I teach. I'm going to go into my D class just because it's first. So you'll see at the top would be the title of the page and the title of the class, and usually it will have the section. So that's how you know you're in the right spot. Most of the work gets done on the stream. The stream is probably the most important place to go because that's where most teachers will be posting assignments as well as homework announcements. You can see here where it says due today, and there were a couple of assignments that my students worked on today. Also, if you scroll down, you can see all of the work that the teacher wishes to remain visible to the students. And I'll show you one other spot that might have useful information. I have a student tab. Your student will not have that tab. That's for teachers in order to do grading and provide feedback and to keep track of assignments. The About page gives a little bit more information about the class, like for example, the teacher, and how to get in touch with the teacher. If you want to email the teacher, that's a link directly to the teacher. It tells where the class meets if the teacher put it in. And you'll notice that with my class, I did classroom norms and expectations. Those are resources that I would like my students to have for the rest of the year. Throughout the year, I'll be adding more resources as we get further and further into the curriculum. So again, there's the About page and the stream. And the best place to find Google Classroom is classroom.google.com, or you can Google Classroom and it will pop right up. So thank you for your attention. Have a great day.